Derivation of sine rule. So if you have a non-right angle triangle, none of the angle is 90 degrees. So what we need to do is the angle A, this is little a, angle C, capital C, this is little c, angle capital B, this is little b. Draw a vertical line down, and we know that this is H. What we now need to do is say sine of B. Sine of B is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, so that will be H over C. Therefore, H equals C sine B. Next thing is we want to look at C here. Sine of C, let's write that down. Sine of C, capital C, equals H over B. That's opposite over hypotenuse. So that will be H over B. Now what we can do is make H the subject here too. H equals B sine C. Now we can write them all together, where we can say H equals H, which means C sine B will be equal to B sine C. If you want to write this in terms of side, so you want to find the side, you can then say C over sine capital C to bring that down. So you bring this down, and you bring that down. So you bring that down, bring that down. Will be equal to B over sine capital B. And if you write it, if you want to write it in terms of angle, to find the angle, so we write sine C over little c equals sine B over little b. So how do we do that? We basically leave the c there and take the little c down and bring the little b down here. And that's how we get that. So this is what we do if you want to make a formula for to find the side, because if I'm looking for c, I'll just take the sine c here and put it over there. And if I'm looking for the angle sine of c, I'll just take that little c and put it over there, and then divide both sides by sine. I can get my c. So that's how we derive the sine rule.